Hello. Oh shoot. Anyways, I just wanted to show you today how you can make a painkiller literally anywhere using literally anything. So let's get started. Got our little teeny tiny fridge here. Yep. Pretty simple, nothing special. Yes. Main ingredient right there, pineapple juice. Oh. It's like in Greek.
Yeah, on one side.
We're gonna do it outside because our balcony is amazing. All right, so my hubby is going to go ahead and make these, and we just like kind of rig it together. Nothing too advanced here.
I'll start with some ice. You don't want to overfill the ice because you got to get the lid on the drink. And then first is the rum. Always Pussers. You got to fill it about halfway. A nice halfway. That's the proper way to make it. All the other ingredients you need to shake first. Everything kind of separates a little bit. And then it's 4-1-1. 4 pineapple, 1 orange, 1 cream of coconut. We're going to be eyeballing it. So we'll call that 4.
That's the orange juice.
This is orange juice. We'll call that 1.
We're just guesstimating today.
And then cream of coconut. Shake, shake, shake.
It's very important to shake the cream of coconut.
Obviously, it's not in a cream of coconut container. But
What happens if you don't shake it?
you don't get as creamy. It'll separate, and this part will be the really thick stuff, and this will be like super clear.
And then you get chunks
Yeah, and you can get chunks.
in your drink.
So then you don't want to do too much cream of coconut because it will get way too sweet, at least in our opinion.
Yeah.
And then,
Agreed.
you know, typically you'd have some other cups and you'd kind of pour it back and forth, but we're just going to do it this way. We'll shake in the cup and you get this nice milky kind of beverage. And it should not look like, it should not be light in color, like a pale yellow.
Yeah.
It should have a little bit of brownish tinge to it, or you didn't put enough rum. And then, of course, you must top it with some nutmeg.
Oh yeah, for sure. Kind of makes the painkiller.
Mm-hmm. Lit it.
And then you're good to go.
Take it to the beach.
Okay, I'm gonna try it now. Perfect.